The code queue HTML widget package adds two new content types. One is HTML widget definition and the other one is HTML widget. HTML widget can be used by all editors since it does not require any understanding of HTML, JavaScript, or CSS. And the HTML widget definition is by default restricted to administrators. And of course, that can be configured differently by the policy.yaml. If you create a new HTML widget definition, you are first asked for a name. So for example, let's create a MailChimp sign up form. This is a good example because HTML sign up form includes a lot of nasty code. So if I copy it in, you can see it adds some styles, it has some HTML, but also here it adds JavaScript, which sometimes can break your Neos backend. So if you apply it, you see it shows the MailChimp form, but it automatically blocks JavaScript in the backend, which is detected here and of course in this separate JavaScript property. And in the front end, it's normally rendered. So this makes it really easy to create new widget definitions in the backend, and they will always work and never break the backend. That's nice. The second thing is, as an editor, you want to just use HTML widgets. So here I would create a new HTML widget, and here as a reference, I'm selecting the MailChimp signup form, and then it includes it here again. And you can see there's no options to configure HTML. This is just for editors to work with. And I think this is a way better solution than the Neos node types HTML node type, since it prevents JavaScript issues and is usable both for power editors which understand HTML and for simple editors which don't have to understand HTML.